Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur background on CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your CapCut app, create a new project, choose the video. Now to blur the background, add the same video as an overlay. Click on overlay, add overlay and import the same video again. Now, resize the overlay video as of original video. Now, to blur the background, at first, remove the background of the overlay video. To do so, swipe to the left on the options menu at the bottom and you can see remove background. Click on it. You can also choose auto removal. It is a pro feature. So you can also choose custom removal. Click on it and choose the brush and choose the subject which you don't want to remove. So here is the subject. Now I'll brush over the subject which I don't want to remove. Keep in mind, I'm just removing the background of our overlay video. Now, once you've selected everything, click here to save changes. Now, since our overlay video's background is removed, the only background you can see right now is the main videos. So click on the main video and simply to add the blur, click on Effect, Video Effect, search for blur and choose any blur effect you want. Once you select it, you can also choose the intensity. As you can see, we have successfully added blur to our background. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.